How's it going, everybody? I'm here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Olympus OMD E-M5 Mark II. I apologize if my voice sounds a little bit grainy, as I've been feeling a little bit sick lately, but bear with me, and we're going to open this thing up. Now, I had been talking about wanting a camera for Christmas, and so sure enough, I did get a Christmas gift, and one of these gifts was this beautiful camera. So I'm really excited to open this for you guys. As you can see, it is boxed really nicely. Got multiple layers of boxing here. I don't know if that's 100% necessary. We'll open it up and we'll take a look what's inside, and then after we take a look at what is inside, I will just briefly run you over some of the specs of this camera. The first thing I noticed right away is that this really is packaged quite nicely. Everything's in its own separate little boxes. It's all tight and snug. Even here, this appears to be the manual. Indeed it is. Came in its own little nice box, just so that it all fits nice and looks nice. There's a little bit more in here. There we go. So, just in here we have a setup DVD and a manual. So that's pretty nice right there. I'll just put that to the side. So in here we have a USB cable. We have a wall outlet. We have a camera strap. We got some bubble wrap that we don't need. In bubble wrap we have a flash, an external flash. We also have in here just a case for the external flash, which is really nice to have, and it's a nice soft material. And then charger for my battery, and my battery. So that all comes in the case, and then we're also going to have over here the camera. So here is the OMD E-M5 Mark II. This came out 2 years ago, so it is a little older now, but it looks really nice. So review what came in the case. We have the camera. We have a nice little bag for our external flash. This is the external flash. There is no built-in flash. We got a wall outlet and a USB cable, a charger. We have a battery to go with the charger, and for the camera, we have a nice little neck strap, and then a manual and a DVD to go along with it. So a fair amount of stuff in the box and some really nice packaging. This retails for $999.99. So I'll determine if I think that's a reasonable price for this camera, but so far it looks pretty good. Because it came out 2 years ago, the street price is now around $780. It is not waterproof, but it is weatherproof, so it can survive rain and dust and that sort of thing. It is not shockproof though, so gotta be careful around like dropping it. You can add external lenses, so you can put other lenses on there, and I do have a nice lens that I'm going to showcase later on that is for this camera that I will be putting on it. It takes video. It can film in up to 1080p, so not full 4K, but it does film in HD, which is all that I'm going to need it for. It does have a viewfinder. Take a look here. It also has the screen at the back, which flips out, which is pretty nice. So all in all, obviously it takes pictures and video. So all in all, I'm really excited to be using this camera. I'm really impressed with how it was packed in the box. Really impressed with what we got in the box. Looks very professional. Like I said, 16 megapixel camera. I'm really excited to be getting this up and running and to be using this to film all my videos. Until next time, guys, though, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you're enjoying my channel content, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good one.